So ito siya guys, may pool and then ito yung mga rooms. So this is how the room looks like. Alright, with a view of the pool and people. Kayo guys, are you the hostel type of person or the hotel type of person? Ito yung POV guys ng mga pa-digital nomad na mga influencer, diba? Ayan. Tingnan nyo naman guys, at 1 PM may pa-DJ. Hindi naubusan ng pasabog tong hostel na to.
The nature in Shayal is just crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Coconut trees, everything is just, it makes sense to be there.
Philippines is her favorite place.
Philippines is my favorite place.
Afterthoughts guys, it's my last day here in Bali. And one of the best things, or one of the best decisions that I made for this trip was booking this hostel. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Puripo Traveler, and nandito tayo ngayon sa Bali. So specifically, nandito tayo sa ating second accommodation here in Bali. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Canggu. So yung una nating accommodation nasa Seminyak. And then ngayon, lumipat tayo ng Canggu para ibang area naman. So this is Cosmon Hostel. Ayan. So this is one of the most beautiful and most popular hostels in Bali. So 1,500 per night ito guys. And gusto ko kayong i-tour, ipakita sa inyo. Actually, first day natin ngayon, check-in lang natin. Gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung itsura ng ating hostel. So nabook natin ito via Klook guys. Okay? Ganda niya. Ganda guys. So ito siya guys. May pool. And then may bar. We even order drinks. And then ito yung mga rooms. So kung kayo ay mag-abroad, magbabali or mag-travel in the Philippines, you can book your hotel or hostels and activities via Klook. Okay? So pwede kayong maka-discount kung gagamitin yung aking promo code. Ganda dito. Mahangin, relaxing. So this guys, yung toilet and shower. Malapit lang naman sa room natin. Nice. Tapos ito, mga mga puno-puno at mga kahagnaan. Kahagnaan? Ano ba? Waray yun. Pero ito, greenery. Greenery. Yung katabi ng hostel. So may social area here guys. And may pa-activity si Mayor. Ayun. So this is actually a social hostel. So may mga sila pa-activity para sa mga travelers. And every 9 AM daw ay merong meet and greet sa breakfast. So yung Canggu guys, this is one of the hottest areas or touristy areas here in Bali. Kaya ito din yung pinili ko aside from Seminyak. Kasi gusto ko kapag nag-stay ako, nandun ako talaga sa center ng mga ganap. Okay, para accessible yung mga ganap sa atin. As someone who is adventurous, di ba? Gusto makita ng mga shops, restaurants, ng mga tao. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Canggu. Medyo hindi ganun ka-sunny, pero buti hindi umuulan. Kaninang umaga yung umuulan. So this is the breakfast area guys. This is also where you can order food. And accessible na siya sa pool area. O diba? Guys, very aesthetic talaga. As in. Ito may activity board. Sunday Adventure Day. Where to eat in Canggu. Ayan, may mga recos. And then, pool party Saturday. Monday movie night. Tuesday family dinner. Ganda. Family diner. Sorry, dito yung basa ko. So yung rooms dito guys ay for sharing. Like, this is my room. So tayo po ay naka-bunk bed. Ganda ng posisyon natin. Ito yun. Ayokong pumasok kasi may mga natutulog. Pero yeah. Ganda ng posisyon natin. So, for one room, I think merong room for 4, tapos meron ding room for 8. But I also think meron ding private rooms. Ayan. Mga private rooms na may direct access sa pool area. Ito guys, yung ating kama. This is the hostel at night. Ayan, kung makita yung may mga ilaw-ilaw doon. I think those are coming from the beach clubs. Yun yung room guys. Di lang ako nagsalta kasi baka may natutulog. Ito siya at night. Ganda. Good morning. Happy Monday. Tingnan nyo naman. Ay, nag-yoga. Ang saya. Tapos may nagsasunbathing na sa baba. Happy Monday! It's time for breakfast. Guys, ang set ng breakfast, may isang food of choice, and then juice, and then coffee. Let's go. And ito, ang sitwasyon dito ngayon sa Bali. Cos One Hostel. Charing. I'm excited to eat because we'll work today. Ito yung POV guys ng mga pa-digital nomad na mga influencer, diba? Ayan. So this is how the room looks like, guys. So 8 beds. And this is my space. Alright. With a view of the pool and people under the sun. Nice. We met.
Controversial opinion?
Yasir. Yeah. German Moroccan.
Yes.
And he went to the Philippines for a month. Bali or Siargao?
Siargao. Any day. And I have people to back me up on this. So
Oh my goodness. Because he mentioned it's 10 times better.
it's 100 times better. 10 times it's not even. Yeah.
And I haven't been to Siargao. I'm from the Philippines.
I really feel,
Yeah.
if you don't need to.
I'm Filipino.
No, it's really nice.
Yeah, this is surprising because a lot of foreigners are here in Bali.
Yeah.
And I thought they'd love Bali more because Bali is bigger, right?
Yeah, but
than
Bali
Siargao.
is more famous, yes, of course. But I think the issue is, what people say is that Siargao is going to be Bali in a few years because, it's like a place is amazing and then it's overused and then it's less amazing. And I think that Bali many years ago was almost as Siargao. But the nature in Siargao is just crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Coconut trees, everything is just, it makes sense to be there.
Yeah. Oh my God, thank you for sharing. So I should book my next flight to Siargao
If I were you, I would literally skip the breakfast.
and book my flight
Yes.
now. Philippines is your favorite place.
Philippines is my favorite place. The people, the views, the culture, everything. Amazing. I love it so much. I almost cried when I was there.
You almost cried. When was your trip there?
Last year.
Oh, last year.
Yeah, last May.
Last May. Just last May.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's nice.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Ayun, nag-yoga tayo kaninang umaga. So 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. yung yoga. And then breakfast with backpackers na nagta-travel for more than a year sa different across the world. At nakakatuwa because Philippines is really up there sa list nila ng mga favorites. Our work from home view here in Bali this morning. Guys, ang ganda ng hostel talaga. Nag-yoga sesh tayo kanina doon. 1 hour, kaninang 8 a.m. In 3 minutes, may meeting tayo. Gusto kong magstay dito for a month. I don't wanna leave Bali. Tingnan nyo naman guys, at 1 p.m. may pa-DJ. Hindi naubusan ng pasabog tong hostel na to. And when I say best hostel ever, it's true. Ganda ng hostel, no? Kayo guys, are you the hostel type of person? Or the hotel type of person? Mga budget guest house? Or mga luxury hotels? O kasi gusto ko lang yung gusto ko lang yung makakamura kung saan ako makakamura. So I go for budget hotel. And hostel naman, this just the third time na nag-hostel ako. Yung first sa Thailand, twice ako nag-hostel doon. And then this one, okay din kasi I get to see people like me who are traveling solo tapos nag-work from home or work from Bali ngayon. So nakita tayo ngayon ng mga naglalakad. And ang ganda lang ng ng place, aesthetic. Actually, I can stay here the whole day and just work and then just get relaxed kasi ang ganda ng view. Tingnan nyo naman yung view ko ngayon. Oh, diba? So yun, kung kayo guys ay magbabali, so you can consider booking this one. I think may rooms din naman sila na, again, hindi for sharing, but private rooms with private toilet and shower. So here, from Bali, Indonesia, from Canggu, ang ganda din ng location nito guys, malapit lang sa beach. Nilakad lang natin kahapon yung beach and the nightlife around, solid. So here from Canggu, this is Dave, Nakulipo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Work from home muna tayo ngayon. Okay, bye-bye! Afterthoughts guys, it's my last day here in Bali. And one of the best things, or one of the best decisions that I made for this trip was booking this hostel. Itong Coswan Hostel. Kasi ang ganda, it's a paradise where I can just, stay the whole day or mag-staycation dito, mag-work, and yung heart ko, it's full. Kasi ang relaxing guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Diba? And you'll just people watch, namnamin yung hangin, and may may different amenities and different activities. May pa-yoga, and then may pa-massage, and then may movie night. And then most importantly, we were able to meet travelers, backpackers from all over the world. And then we get to hear their stories, na expand din yung horizon natin, tapos perspective. So this solo trip has been nothing short of amazing because of this hostel. And nakapag-party pa tayo, nakauwi na tayo ng 3 a.m. kagabi. I mean, kaninang madaling araw. So yun guys, I think I'd stay in hostels pa in the future. Yun.